Okay, this is addition of fraction. We'll add 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. This is 1/2. This is 1/3. This is 1/4. From the figure, if we try to see it, the answer is more than 1. The answer is 1 in 1/12. If we try to verify 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4, simplifying this one, this will be 5/6 plus 1/4. Or this should be 20 plus 6 over 24. This is 26 over 24. Simplifying, this is 13 over 12. And the answer is 1 in 1/12. 1 in 1/12, same as this one. Good evening.